Hi, you're welcome to Financial Freedom Hub, your online earning and ultimate wealth creation tutorial channel on YouTube. We've been away for quite some time now, doing a lot of things around, and we are back, and we are beginning a new series on money. You must understand money. You must know how money works in order for you to attract the money or to earn the money into your life. So we are beginning a new series where we want to get to know what money is and how money functions, the laws that govern its functionality, the principles that govern its earning and attraction into your life. And so this morning we are looking at understanding how money works. Understanding how money works. In order for you to be able to operate something, you must understand how it works or how it functions, the principles that undergird its functionality. So this morning we are just beginning with how to understand how money works. So I'm just going to show you 3 quick things, and then in the next video, if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe and you turn on the notification sign so that when we post the video, you will be notified. In the next video, which is going to be a sequel to this one, I'm going to show you how to attract money. There are principles, and once you apply the principle, whether educated, uneducated, whether you are black, you are white, whatever you are, once the principles are applied, you'll be able to attract the money. It's just like a door with a key. Whoever holds the key can open that door. Whoever holds the wrong key will struggle and cannot open the door. An adult with the wrong key will struggle before the door and will not be able to open it. A child with the right key can insert that key and open the door, and the door will yield. It's not about who you are. It's about knowing the principles and engaging the principles, and all things will fall in place. All right, so the first point we need to know about understanding how money works is you must understand that money is called currency. So that's why we refer to it as the currency of a nation. And what it means is that it is in continuous flow, continuous circulation. It's like electricity current or ocean current that are in continuous motion. So you must understand that nobody owns any amount of money except what they are able to attract into their life, either through their business, through their work, or whatever they do. So that is why you see that today you have money and tomorrow you don't have that money, and nobody has stolen the money from you. So the question is, where did the money pass? The money, you can boast of that I had this amount of money yesterday or last week or last year, but I don't know where that money has passed, and thieves have not broken into your house to steal your money. It means the money has moved on. So that's why I said it is in current, or it is in continuous circulation. It comes into your hand today, it moves, something attracts it or moves it out of your hand. You move it out of the hand of somebody, and then it comes into your space and comes into your custody. So once you have that understanding, then you know that the money somebody has somewhere is not something they can keep forever. If you can do something that you can attract that money from them, you can attract it. It's just, so let's look at electricity as an analogy. So electricity is generated from a power source, either hydro, like we have the Akosombo Dam, and then it is transmitted through cables. So we have the high tension cables that carry it from the source, and then for it to become useful to households, it has to be stepped down by a transformer, and then it goes through the low tension cables where you can now connect and you tap it. But the interesting thing is, your house can be under the transformer, or your house can be under where the electric cables are passing over your house, but you can still be in darkness without having access to electricity. So the fact that electricity is flowing doesn't mean that you can have it in your house unless you connect to the grid and you tap it into your house. So that's what is happening. I see that people are having money. Money is in the system, but you are not seeing the money in your life, and you are not seeing any amount of that money. And so you insult people, they are thieves, they are stealing the money, they are using Sakawa ritual money. No, there are principles, and if you can also discover those principles and you tap in from the understanding of how money works, you will also attract money in your life, and you stop insulting people, they are thieves, and then they are criminals, and then they are using ritual ways to get money. So that's the first thing to understand about how money works. know that it is a currency and it is in current. It is in continuous circulation and flow. You can tap into it at any point in time, just as you wire your house, your new house, and then you connect to the main grid, and then you get light into your house. Money also works like that. So that's the first thing. Money is a currency and it is in continuous circulation. It doesn't belong to any one man. What they have today, it can move on into another hand today if that person knows how to attract that person or that money. Number two, you must know that it is a medium of exchange. So money only exchange hands through a point of contact. So apart from being in current, it is a medium of exchange. What that means is that in order for you to attract money into your life, you must be ready, or you must have something you are giving in exchange for that money. It can be a product, it can be a service, but you must know that money is attracted to value. So what value are you creating in exchange for the money? Somebody is holding the money, and then in order for that money to exchange hands, you must have something to give to the person for the person to release their money. That is another principle about how money works. So in order for you to understand how money works, know that number one, we said it is a current, or it's a currency, so it's in current continuous flow. And then number two, it is a medium of exchange. So you must have something to give in exchange for money. So that's why you go to the marketplace. People go to market with a product without money, and by the time they are coming home, they come home without the product, but they come with money. They have swapped the product for money. And then somebody is holding money, they have a need for a certain service, and then you have the skill to provide that service, you render that service, and then money changes hand. You have provided service or provided value, and so money changes hand. So money is there, it is in current, it is continuous flow, but you have to use something to attract it into your space or into your life. And so understand that the second thing to know about how money works is that it is a medium of exchange. So you must have something to give in exchange for money. You see, when you get free money, how long are you going to get it? How long are you going to meet people and they will just give you money for nothing? And even that, I can tell you that for somebody to give you money for free, at least you may not know, but something about you compelled them to give you money. Maybe the person saw you and saw that, oh, you are a good person, the way you relate, you are an affable person. Even your smile alone can make somebody give you money or give you something in monetary terms. So there is no money that comes for free. By all means, there must be an exchange somewhere. So money is a medium of exchange. Then the third and the last thing we want to look at in this video, I don't want this video to be too long, is that money is magnetic in nature. Money is magnetic in nature. So what do I mean by money being magnetic in nature? It means there are forces that attract the money to you or anybody who is looking for the money. Money is attracted by certain forces, certain principles, or certain things. So understand that money is in current flow, money is a medium of exchange, but understand that money is magnetic in nature. You know, a magnet, there are things that can attract the magnet, or the magnet can attract them to itself. And so if you put a plastic material around a magnet, it will not attract it. It means there are things you will do that you will not earn money, and there are other things you will do that will attract money. So once you create value, I believe this simple video I'm doing like this knowledge I'm giving you, though it is for free, it is giving you some value. It's giving you some knowledge you can apply, and then from that application, you can begin to earn money. If I'm charging for this, unless I'm doing a seminar and then I expand on this and I charge the attendance fee and then you pay, that is the money I am attracting for giving you this knowledge. That I'm giving you this one for free, and then indirectly, if my channel is monetized and then an advert is posted whilst you are watching this video, an advert comes on, I will earn a little coin then. So that is the magnetism we are talking about here. So money is attracted to certain forces, and that is what I'm going to be showing you in the next video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to attract money into your life. I'm going to give you 3 secret keys. If you engage them, irrespective of who you are, where you are, your skin color, your educational background, if you can apply those 3 secret keys, you can attract money into your life. So if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification sign. You see that bell sign, turn it on. Anytime we post a video, you will receive an alert or a notification so that you don't miss out. There are a sequence I'm going to be teaching from now to the end of the month on money. And I believe we must understand money. Everybody is entitled to a certain amount of money or a certain amount of happiness, and money can give you that amount. And once you know the principles that govern the functionality of money, I believe if you do the right thing, you'll be able to attract the money into your life and into your space. So subscribe to the channel, share the video if you learned and then it benefited you, share with a friend, share with a family member, leave a comment, and then let us interact and let the conversation continue from here. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video, how to attract money into your life. Stay blessed. This is Financial Freedom Hub. God bless you.